Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make video calls on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen where you can access all your conversations and contacts. Now look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will display all your active conversations, making it easy to find the person you want to video call. Signal keeps your recent conversations organized here so you can quickly connect with anyone in your contact list. Next, scroll through your chats and open the conversation with the person you want to video call. This could be an individual chat or even a group conversation if you want to call multiple people at once. Tapping on the conversation will open the full chat thread where you can access the call features. Once the conversation is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a video camera icon there. Go ahead and tap on this video camera icon to initiate the video call. This icon is Signal's dedicated feature for starting video conversations, and it's designed to be quick and accessible. After tapping the video camera icon, a prompt will appear on your screen. You'll see a Continue button. Tap on Continue to proceed with setting up your video call. This step confirms that you're ready to move forward with the call and ensures that Signal has the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. Now you'll see a Start Call button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Start Call to initiate the video connection. This action sends a call notification to the person you're trying to reach, letting them know you want to video chat with them. At this point, Signal will start processing the video call and connecting you to the other person. You'll need to wait for a moment while the app establishes the connection and the person on the other end receives your call notification. Give them a few seconds to see the incoming call and decide whether to accept it. The app will display a waiting screen during this time, and once they accept, you'll be connected and can start your video conversation. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a video call on Signal, allowing you to have secure, encrypted video conversations with your contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.